If you're looking to start a new career, there is no better time than right now to check out the world of HVAC refrigeration. And I'm at Coyne College to find out why. What is the best part of going through this program?
The hands-on. You get so much hands-on that when you leave here, you dream the compressor, you dream the furnace, you dream the AC. The instructors make sure you have the knowledge you need when you leave here and go into the field.
I imagine you have seen just all sorts of success.
Absolutely. HVAC is in a huge demand. This stuff that we're teaching them, they can go anywhere in the United States and use the education that we're giving them.
Time from school to career, super fast here.
Yes, we can get a student from the very beginning and out the door in about 9 months. This gets them out there in the field with some solid knowledge and they can roll with it.
It is such an exciting career, and it's one that is full of opportunity. So if you're interested in checking it out, Coyne College is the place to go for an HVAC program.